So, not long back ago, we used to think that there are three basic needs of every human being: food to eat, a shelter or a home to live, and clothes to wear. But in the recent times, there is one thing which is added up to the list, and that is plastic. We use plastic in our everyday life from the morning till the end of the night. But this plastic, even though it is very useful, it is not very good for the environment. It is polluting the seas, it is polluting the land and even the air. So what we need to do is, we need to make a small effort in reducing the use of plastic. I'm sure we cannot stop it altogether, but we need to make a conscious effort on reducing the use of it. One way of doing it is trying to use or carrying a cloth bag or a paper bag while you travel outside. Let's say if you want to buy something, store your things in the cloth bag or a paper bag. Now I'm sure you remember Nina. She was the friend who made all those wonderful caps. So Nina has a special way, a simple way to make you understand how we can make a paper bag using a simple newspaper. So let's learn from Nina a newspaper bag. So to start with, you need a full sheet of newspaper. You need to spread it flat open on the floor. Now once you're done with that, from the top of the sheet, if you see this corner here, you're going to leave about 3 fingers distance. Let's say that is 3 centimeters or 1 inch to be more specific, and you will fold the paper inwards like this. So that is about 3 fingers distance, and I folded it like this. Press it hard so that the fold is proper. So now this is the first fold. After I am done with that, I will turn over the paper like this. So this is the folded part. I turned over and I have the paper like this. Now after this, you're going to divide the paper into 3 parts. Fold it. So this is my middle line here. I am going to approximately say this is 1/3. And I will fold it like this and press it hard. So this is the paper folded 1/3. Now the same thing I'll do, this is a little more, so I can adjust the way I want. So this is 1/3, and the other half of the paper I fold it like this. So we made 2 folds here. This was 1/3 of the paper folded like this, and the other 1/3 being folded at the top of it. Now what we do is, if you see this part here, you are going to tuck this part inside like this. So you might consider folding it a little bit like this, and so that tucking is a little easy. And then you just tuck it inside the layer below. So something like this. So this is my paper almost ready. This is my bag almost ready. After I am done with this, what I do is I fold the paper into 2 halves. So like this, up. I take the bottom part and I fold it up like this, and I press it. So this was the next step. That is, I fold the paper into half, top to bottom. Now once I am done with that, I take this bottom edge of the paper and tuck it inside this flap I have. So I take this paper and tuck it inside like this. So be very careful when you fold the paper into 1/3, because that will help you to get a little better tucked in bag. So the bag is almost ready. Here you go. Can you see it? So this is the bag, which could be used to store some small items of the things you buy or anything which you want to store. Now if you fold this paper again to its half like this, or let's say like this, you get something like a wallet. So I folded it like that and I get something like a wallet. I can store all my stationery or anything which I have in this and have a wallet in it.